In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do competitor analysis in Semrush. We'll move through the exact workflow you can use to understand a competitor's search performance and uncover practical opportunities for your own site. First, open Semrush and head to the SEO section. Then, choose Domain Overview. This is your starting dashboard for a high-level snapshot. In the search bar, type your competitor's domain, just the root domain, and hit Search. Semrush will compile a rich overview so you can quickly see where they're strong and where gaps may exist. Begin by reviewing the key metrics at the top. Authority score is a composite indicator of overall domain strength based on factors like backlinks and trust signals. Organic traffic estimates visits from unpaid search results, while paid traffic reflects visits driven by ads. Referring domains counts the number of unique websites linking to them. Organic keywords shows the terms they rank for, and backlinks totals all inbound links. Treat these as directional indicators rather than absolute numbers. What matters most is the relative scale and how it changes over time. Scroll down to distribution by country to see where their audience is concentrated. This helps you identify priority markets, potential localization opportunities, and regions where you might need region-specific content or links. Next, study the traffic trend graph. Look for consistent growth, seasonal dips, or sudden spikes that might coincide with campaigns or algorithm updates. A stable upward trend often signals effective content and link building. A decline may suggest opportunities to outpace them with fresher content or stronger technical SEO. Move to the keywords section to see which search terms bring them traffic. Pay attention to high-volume, non-branded keywords and the positions they hold. Note intent: informational, commercial, or transactional. These insights guide your content themes, internal linking, and on-page optimization priorities. Open organic research to review their top-performing pages. Identify the formats and topics that drive results: guides, comparisons, category pages, or long-form resources. Observe the structure, headlines, and keyword targeting patterns that make these pages effective. Then, open Backlink Analytics to analyze who links to them. Look at the quality and relevance of referring domains, anchor text patterns, and the diversity of their link profile. This reveals publications and industry sites that may also be a fit for your content. When you're ready to benchmark, use domain versus domain or keyword gap to compare your site to theirs. You'll see shared, missing, and weak keywords, making it clear where to focus content updates and link acquisition. Finally, click Export to save the report for your team or stakeholders. That's it. Thanks for watching.